So again, to solve for the partial pressures of each gas in a gas mixture, take note, we will use this formula wherein P sub A is equal to X sub A, P sub T, or P sub total. So the pressure of a gas in a mixture of gases is the product of its mole fraction and the total pressure of the mixture. Okay, so for us to understand this better, let's have a sample problem. So for this one, a gas sample whose total pressure is 1,512 torr. What are the partial pressures if the following component gases are the following? 2.70 mole N sub 2. Okay, this is nitrogen gas. 6.19 mole or carbon dioxide. 8.76 mole of hydrogen gas and 2.98 mole of SO2. Okay, so here are the given. Sulat ko na lang. Required, we are looking for what? The partial pressures of each component. So mainly, we have the total pressure, 1,512. So that's given. That is the P total or P sub T. Now, we are asked to find the P sub A and X sub A. No? So, X sub A can be obtained using your N sub A over N sub total. So, we know that N stands for the mole. So, we will simply add all of the values of moles, no? Ito, i-add lang natin yan to get the N total. 2.70, x 6.90, 8.76, and 2.98. How about the N sub A? N sub A is in respect to the components. Kung itong 2.70 mole of N2, yan yung N sub A mo. Kumbaga, isosolve mo siya isa-isa since apat ito. Okay? N sub A will be replaced by N sub 2, CO2, H2, and 2.98. So, let's try solving this one. First, solve mo natin N sub total. Okay? We simply add the values of what? 2.70, 6.90, 8.76, and 2.98. And we have 21.34 mole. And this will be our N sub T or N sub total. Okay? So now we get the value of N sub total. We can now solve for N sub A. So, solve for mole fraction of each gases. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kukunin mo, itong N sub A ay nakabase yan dito. Yung A ay mapapalit ng N sub 2, CO2, H2, and SO2. Okay. So, let's assume that we solve already all the four component of this total pressure. Okay? Ito mga component gases niya. Take note nyo yung 0.127, 0.410, 0.140, and 0.323. Take note. Okay? Sir, do we still need to solve this based on SIGPIG? Sa final answer, dun po kayo mag-SIGPIG. Pero while answering the mismong problem, you may not naman. Kasi same lang man din makukuha mong sagot. No? Okay, so meron tayong P sub A is equal to X sub A, P sub total. I-multiply na lang natin. Since nakuha na natin yung value ng X sub A, ito yon. Tatimes na natin sa P sub total, which is 1,512 torr. So, for P sub N sub 2, 192 torr, or P sub nitrogen gas, P sub carbon dioxide, or the partial pressure. So, kung ang basa nyo po ay ganun, okay lang po yun. So, the partial pressure, P sub hydrogen gas, that is 620 torr. And last one, we have 212 torr. Okay? So, if we're going to add this, dapat ang maging sagot nyo ay equivalent sa total pressure. Pag hindi, mali yan. Pero kapag ang sagot nyo, 1,511.998, okay lang yan. Halos parehas lang din naman yan. Wala na halos pinagkaiba yan. Okay? So, now we got the values. Hindi pa tayo tapos doon. Okay? So, now we got the values of each. Take note, ang final checking yan, kailangan tumugma ito lahat sa total pressure para ma-check nyo. Kasi ito na mismo yung sagot nun eh. Pero para ma-validate mo lang na tama yan, dapat equal yan sa total pressure. Okay? That's all for gas loss. Thank you.